Hi guys, how are you? It's your boy HTM Unlock Server. I'm back with another one. So today I have a Samsung A04s. It's in Exynos. It's a Exynos chipset, Exynos 850, as you can see on the screen. So yeah. The FRP is locked, so you'll see. I'll show you the lock screen. There is the lock screen. So let me put it into the download mode so that it's ready to be flashed. Yeah, it's on download mode. You can see it's FRP on. This was one of the encrypted smartphones. Developers were busy trying to crack this Exynos chipset for years. So this update was released this year, early this year. So right now it's very simple. It's just one click. You just click once, make sure that the phone is on download mode, and then you'll see. So right now we're just waiting for the exploit to finish. And by the way, the KG status of the phone must be completed or pre-normal checking. If the KG status is active or locked, you won't be able to survive trying to remove the FRP. You see, it's done.